Welcome to the Learning English channel. English conversations. Spring cleaning.
Hi, Jill. What are you doing today?
Hi, Sharon. Today we are doing our annual spring cleaning.
What is that?
It's the day we thoroughly clean the whole house. We throw away things we don't need, pack up things to donate, clean all of the rooms, and wash all of the windows.
Wow. That's a lot to do.
Yeah. It takes all day.
Do your kids help too?
Of course. They look through their closets and toy bins to find clothes and toys to donate or throw away.
That's a great idea. But why is it called spring cleaning?
Because it's done in the spring season.
I see. I think we are going to start doing this too. Our house is so cluttered.
After we have the things ready for donation, Jim takes them to the local homeless shelter. This makes the house easier to clean.
That's great. I'm going to tell my family about this.
Well, I'd better get started. I have a lot to do. I'll talk to you later, Sharon.
Bye, Jill. Thanks for the cleaning tip.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.